Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to show you all how you can actually navigate through your Microsoft Word document. So while you have your document open, right now I only have one page, but some of you may have Word documents that are 50 pages or 100 pages or 150 pages. So you're going to need to know how to be able to jump through your document at will. So you can use a few different ways you can do this. You can use your mouse wheel and just kind of scroll up or down like this. You can use the little arrow along your slider. You can drag your slider up or down. You can right-click this slider, and you have a few different options here. You have top or bottom, so you can go to the top or the bottom of the screen, or it'll be kind of relative to where you have your mouse or where you have your cursor, and you can do scroll here. Like if I was to right-click right here and go to scroll here, you see it jumps down to where I had my mouse cursor. There's also some other options like page up or page down. And if you look at your keyboard, you actually have some other options there as well. So you may have an option on your keyboard called page up or page down. And if you select those, let me actually break a page here. Okay, so I have another page. So if I was to press page up, you can see now I can go ahead and cycle between first page and second page. It's pretty cool, right? And the primary way that I like to be able to kind of jump through my document is I like to use the mouse wheel, or if there's something in particular that I'm looking for, I'll do Control F, and then I can just search for it. So maybe there's something within my document, like let's pretend we're down here and we're like, oh, we're trying to find the word sentence. You can go ahead and type it in, press enter, and it'll show all the instances of the word sentence. And you can go ahead and cycle through and find what you're looking for. Also, if you have headings, if you come over here, you can go ahead and cycle through the different headings and the different pages. So those are some of the different ways that you can actually cycle through your document and navigate through your document.